We'll guide you through how to change wall thickness in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because beginners using Blender often struggle with basic scaling and transforming objects. They need simple guidance to understand keyboard shortcuts and transform tools. This helps them build foundational skills and shape models. First, click Blender to open it up on your computer. Once it is fully loaded, you will see the default scene with a cube in the center, so select the cube by clicking on it. Then press the S key on your keyboard to begin scaling the object. After that, press the Y key to constrain the scaling along the Y-axis. Next, move your mouse to make the cube longer in that direction until it reaches the desired length. Once you have done it, press S again to start another scaling action. Then press the Z key to focus the scaling along the Z-axis. After that, change its thickness by moving your mouse carefully until you achieve the size you want. At this point, you have completed the first method of adjusting the cube's shape using keyboard shortcuts. For the second method, select the cube again to make sure it is active. On the left side menu, look for the transform mode, which allows you to adjust objects using on-screen controls. Then, tap and hold the red square button that appears on the transform controls. Move your mouse while holding it to set the thickness of the cube manually. You can do this between the direction of the Z-axis or the Y-axis, depending on your perspective and how you want the object to look. Adjust the shape slowly to maintain control over the proportions. After you are satisfied with the changes, press Ctrl and S on your keyboard to save your work. A save window will appear, allowing you to choose a location for your file. Give a name to your project that is easy to remember and describes your work clearly. Finally, confirm the save action to store your project securely. Following these steps will help you understand basic scaling techniques in Blender and allow you to modify simple objects effectively for your projects. Practicing both methods will improve your control and confidence when working with 3D shapes over time consistently.